This is Miles from Recon Airsoft. I got an unboxing from Evike. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but all I'll tell you is that it's 9 pounds and I'm using this machete to cut it.
Good job.
Alright. Doll from Walmart. I'm opening this up with my hands. There we go. Alright, so we got the I'll start with this. So we got some,
Nothing.
Air Plus. You always need this when you're airsofting. 9.6 volt battery, sick. My bungee sling, my gloves, and where the hell's my grip?
Check inside the box.
Better be in here. Or shit's getting real.
Shit's gonna get real. Nope, this way.
Alright. Okay. No grip. That's a good thing.
It's always good.
A mag. The gun. Okay, that's bullshit.
Sir, your barrel cover. You need to keep that on there all times. Oh, okay. Or not.
Oh, alright, so, I ordered a, grip. No, you're gonna jam here. Oh, never mind, there's a lock there to keep it in place. So you gotta go like that. Yeah. Adjustable hop up, metal, gearbox. Ambidextrous. Folding stock. Overall nice gun, but I am pissed off right now because I did not get my grip, which was like $32.
Yeah, I got a grip.
Guessing it was in this set.
You stole.
I don't know, but
Head clip looks like it's a dildo.
UMP. See if the battery fits.
This is the big thing. Big thing.
I'm gonna be calling them up. Because I did not get my grip, which I was excited about. Yeah, this, you better fit, big boy.
No, put it in first.
Yes. Thank you.
Ooh, dude. Oh, wait, no, you got the space in the back.
Oh,
Yeah, take off the door.
I'm gonna take that off.
Yeah, but then you have the space, you'd be able to put it.
Yes, I can take the door off. So, yeah, this fits. I'm good, I'm happy.
Doesn't come charged, no.
Doesn't come charged. Yeah, I would have been really happy if I got my grip, which I was actually excited for, but,
Hey, I got a grip.
I'm gonna use that phone that he's holding to call them. Let's check these out.
Look really small, dude.
I ordered a large size, so these better be fucking large.
They look really small. Oh, you got them on,
No,
big boy.
no, actually, they're supposed to be snug, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. See,
I know it's supposed to be snug, but it's pretty snug.
No, not that snug. Just like punched me.
That looks like purple. It looks purple, dude.
So yeah, that's good. Gotta get them off. Yep. Open this fucking no grip. Right. No grip. Okay. How did they forget a grip? Like, they remember this. Guys, they remember this. But they don't remember something that was $32. Love you, evike. And there we go. When you ordered... Wait, is this still playing?